Crazy how cold it still is up here, but hey, it's northern Michigan. I guess we're kind of used to it. So this one behind me is the one behind this plot behind me is the one in behind the house. So I think we're just going to do some buckwheat and rye. Our soil's pretty acidic and sandy, so we're just going to try to keep building this soil up for a little bit, see how it goes. But kind of fun to watch the wildlife come in from behind the house at night while you're eating dinner. So thanks for watching. Click subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that like button. Thanks a lot.
That's far away, and someone whispers in your ear they'd love you to stay. So you talk for a while and exchange those looks of love, and you know that somehow, somewhere they were brought down from above. Oh, and they call you dream maker, you midnight taker. You come in now, you set your captive free, but it's only for the moment, until the break of dawn. As the twilight lingers on, should you travel on and on and on. Life is a pleasure, at least someone told you so. Many, many times, and oh so long ago. So you've taken what they've told you, and you've molded it with care. And now that they are calling you, should you take the dare, the dare? And they call you dream maker, you midnight taker. You come in now, you set your captive free, but it's only for the moment, until the break of dawn. As the twilight lingers on, should you travel on and on and on? Oh. Need to know my life here means much more to me. Come and take my hand now, the music will set us free. Come and lay beside me, together we'll greet the dawn. When the sun comes over the mountains, the two shall be as one, as one. And they call you dream maker, you midnight taker. You come in now, you set your captive free, but it's only for the moment. Oh.
those of you who watch the channel, what if you invest at all? Just curious, comments below. What do you think is a better investment, property or being in stocks and bonds or any of that type of stuff? Just curious what people think. I do believe overall in the old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. I think it's kind of good to diversify best you can, but I'm just curious about everybody's thoughts and experiences on land or any type of investing or whatever. Don't have to give all your top secrets or any of that, but just curious what some of your thoughts are on that. The pizza is done. That worked out well. Dump the logs, put the Ranger away, come back in. Quick frozen pizza. Anyways, we hope you're enjoying the videos. This drives Autumn nuts because I can eat a whole frozen pizza. I do put on a little bit more than I used to, but used to be able to burn it all off. Now it's not quite as fast. So anyways, hope you're enjoying the videos. Thanks a lot. Hit the subscribe, hit like, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.